Hello, hope you're doing well. I'm Tyler. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a react.js project. Okay, so first of all, you need to come to this website, nodejs.org/en, and then you click the download node.js, and then you need to download, the file. And here I'm not gonna download it because I already downloaded it, and you just need to click next all the way to the end, and then the Node.js is gonna be installed in your computer. So once you finish downloading Node.js, you need to you need to create a folder. This folder can be in any place in your local. Let's say I'm gonna create a folder here. I'll just call it React creation, React project, React creation demo. And then I go to my VS Code. All right, so I'm gonna open from VS Code the folder I just created. Where is it? His document. Okay. Now we're right here. And then you need to go to terminal, new terminal. You need to type npx create dash react app, and then you can name it. Let's name it the react dash demo. Please note all the letters you put here should be lowercase. And then click enter. And now the system is creating the React.js structure. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. It should be very quick. Alright, as you can see, the React.js structure has been installed in this folder I just created, React creation demo. Yeah, let's just open the React demo directly. Yeah, so now we have the folder that hold all the structure. Now we have the the folder that directly hold the structure of the React project. Yeah, and then you need to delete a couple of things from the structure. First of all, you need to go to source. Since we don't use app test and report web vitals and setup test, so we need to delete these 3 files. Delete, move to trash, delete this 2. Yeah, and then we need to go to package.json. We need to delete this section. Yeah, and then save. And at the end, we need to go to the app.js file, not app.js file, the other file, index.js file. We need to delete the import report web vitals, and then delete it at the end as well. Okay, and then you can save. Basically, you can save everything you just edited, and then go to a new terminal. Let's try if the project is gonna work in the website. npm start. Yeah, as you can see, the React project has been created, and now we're good to add things to this website. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.